Hello, today we are going to see something about the corrosion. So, what is corrosion? Corrosion means destruction of the metal, or it is also in simple way called as the rusting of iron. The definition of corrosion is any process of electrochemical decay or destruction of the metal due to surrounding medium is called as corrosion. The mechanism by which corrosion occurs is that the metal comes in contact with oxygen, get converted into metal oxide, and that metal oxide is called as the corrosion product. Then there are two types of corrosion. Let's see the types of corrosion. First type is atmospheric corrosion and second is the electrochemical corrosion. So first see what is meant by atmospheric corrosion. Atmospheric corrosion is the corrosion when metal comes in contact with atmospheric gases like oxygen, chlorine, sulfur, carbon dioxide and get converted into corresponding oxide, carbonate, sulfates, chlorides, etc. Then atmospheric corrosion is of two types, means corrosion due to oxygen and corrosion due to other gases. In corrosion due to oxygen, metal comes in contact with oxygen and get converted into metal oxides. And in corrosion due to other gases, metal comes in contact with other gases like chlorine, get converted into chlorides. Metal comes in contact with sulfur, get converted into sulfides. Metal comes in contact with carbon dioxide and get converted into corresponding carbonates. Then in corrosion due to oxygen, the depending on the type of the metal oxide film formed, it is again of three types: stable film, unstable film and volatile film. Film is the corrosion in which metal comes in contact with oxygen, get converted into metal oxide. Here the metal oxide form is stable, means it is not removed by any scratches or rubbing, and it is called as the protective type of corrosion because the direct contact of metal with the oxygen is prohibited. And second type is called as the unstable type of corrosion in which metal comes in contact with oxygen, get converted into metal oxide. This metal oxide film formed is unstable, means reverse reaction occurs in which from metal oxide we get metal and oxygen as it is, means this type of corrosion is occurs in noble metals like silver, gold and platinum. That's why they do not get corroded like iron. Then the third type is called as the volatile film. In volatile film, the metal comes in contact with oxygen, get converted into metallic oxide. Then this metal oxide get vaporizes into the atmosphere. Again the metal comes in contact with the oxygen, get converted into metal oxide, again it get vaporizes. Then remaining metal again comes in contact with oxygen, get converted into metal oxide. This process continues till all the metal get destroyed. So it is called as the destructive type of corrosion, means stable and unstable film type of corrosion is called as the protective type of corrosion, whereas the corrosion due to volatile film is called as the destructive type of corrosion. Again the corrosion due to stable film is again converted into two types, that is porous film and non porous film. Porous film corrosion is called as the non-protective type of corrosion, whereas the non-porous type of corrosion is called as the protective type of corrosion. Why this is so? Because in porous film metal comes in contact with oxygen, get converted into metal oxide. The volume of the metal oxide is less than the volume of the metal, so the metal oxide does not spread evenly on the all surface of metal, so it develops pores and cracks on the metal oxide, and the area under that pores and cracks is again metal, comes in contact with oxygen, get converted into metal oxide. Again the volume of that metal oxide is less than the volume of the metal, again there develops pores and cracks, means this process continues till all the metal get destructed. Hence it is called as the non-protective type of corrosion. On other hand, the non-porous film is called as the protective type of corrosion, because here the volume of the metal oxide is more than the volume of metal. So the metal oxide spread evenly on the all surface of the metal. There is no development of cracks and pores, so direct contact of metal with the oxygen get restricted, and hence the corrosion stops here, and hence it is called as the protective type of corrosion. Again, electrochemical corrosion is called as the corrosion when two different metals comes in contact with electrolyte. Then the metal which is higher in the electrochemical series acts as anode, while the metal which is in the lower position in the electrochemical series acts as cathode, and the anode gets corroded here, and it is called as the electrochemical corrosion. Then electrochemical corrosion is of two types, that is galvanic corrosion and concentration cell corrosion. Let us see what is meant by galvanic corrosion. Galvanic corrosion is the corrosion in which same type of metal get into contact with two different metal get contact with the electrolyte. Then the metal which is higher in the electrochemical series get corroded, and the metal which is in the lower position acts as anode, which acts as the cathode. So it is called as the galvanic corrosion. In concentration cell corrosion, same type of metal get into contact with two different electrolytes having different concentrations. The metal which is present in the electrolyte having low concentration acts as anode, and the metal which is in the higher concentration of electrolyte acts as cathode, and corrosion starts is called as the concentration cell corrosion. Let us see again what is meant by atmospheric corrosion. When metal comes in contact with atmospheric gases like oxygen and many other gases like carbon dioxide, sulfur gets converted into corresponding metallic oxide, carbonate, sulfate, etc. is called as atmospheric corrosion. Let us see what is meant by electrochemical corrosion. Again, when two metals comes in contact with two electrolytes, then metal which is higher in the electrochemical series acts as anode and get corroded is called as electrochemical corrosion.